In this video, I will show you how to create animated videos like the one I'm about to play from text.
I just wanted to check in. I know you're hurting, and that's completely okay. Remember, I'm here for you whether you want to talk, vent, or just binge watch some shows together. You're amazing and you'll get through this. Let's hang out soon and do something fun. Love ya!
Do you know, according to Tubular Insights, creators with animated videos often achieve higher watch times, which boosts their rankings on YouTube's algorithms, hence increasing their earning potential. Also, if you're looking to create engaging videos for children, then you must watch this video because I'll show you how easy it is to create animated videos from text. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video if you would like to follow my journey of how I created my own animated YouTube channel for kids and how it's going. Let's dive right in. This is how to create animated videos from text using AI. In this video, I will be using two AI tools, 11 Labs and Adobe Express. Both links are in the description of this video below. First, you go into 11 Labs and click Get Started Free. Now 11 Labs loaded, you simply drop your scripts in there. That is the text you would like your animated character to say. I love 11 Labs because you can choose from a wide range of voices. I'm using the voice of Allison, who is a millennial. You can click on it to select another voice. I'm just going to make sure that my text is perfect the way I want it to be, and then I click Generate Speech. I love 11 Labs because you get to listen to the generated audio before you download it.
That's completely okay.
I love the audio, sounds nice. I'm downloading it. Next, you go into Adobe Express. I've put the links in the description below. You click on AI, then click on Animate from Audio. This page is going to come out with different characters you can pick from. You have superheroes, you can move them around the frame, they're animals, children, boy, girl, mom, doctor. There's so many characters you can play around with. They're animals as well. Some of the characters are just half frame while some of them are full frame. So you can pick the one that suits what you're creating, move it around the frame, put it where you want it to be, and it looks really nice. They also animate characters here. This girl looks nice. This one looks nice as well. Different anime characters, but I'm going to go with this one because I really like her hair and I like her color as well. So just going to make her a bit smaller because I want more of her body to be in the video frame. Now that I have it, it's looking good. I'm going to background. You can select different backgrounds, any of the different backgrounds rather. There are so many backgrounds, outdoors, indoors, so many backgrounds. There's a background for school, different places. So I'm just going to play around a little bit with the backgrounds, and I'm going back to pick my initial background. I like it because it matches our hair. Now size, you can choose size depending on what you want to use the video for. So if it's Facebook, Instagram, X, the different aspect ratios, and you can just select the best one for your video. I'm going with YouTube here. Now you click on Browse to input the audio you downloaded from 11 Labs. So that's what I'm doing here, looking for my audio. Yeah, so I'm going to put that audio in there and it's uploading. So we just wait and let the audio upload, sync with the video. So now my audio is done uploading and my video is here, it's ready. I could just click on download here to download it, or on open in Adobe Express to have a look at it, add more scenes, play around with it a little bit more. I'm just going to download my video and here it is.
I just wanted to check in. I know you're hurting, and that's completely okay. Remember, I'm here for you whether you want to talk, vent, or just binge watch some shows together. You're amazing and you'll get through this. Let's hang out soon and do something fun. Love ya!
So there you have it, easy peasy. Thank you for staying on this far into the video. Did you find this helpful? If you did, let me know in the comments. I created an animated YouTube channel for kids and it grew faster than I expected in the very first week. For how it's going, I've given up, and I gave up really quickly. I didn't give up because it was not growing. In fact, it was growing really fast. In my next video, I'm going to be revealing why I gave up on this channel and key principles you need to learn before starting any YouTube channel if you don't want to waste your precious time. So make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you do not miss the video. If you are stuck creating content for your faceless YouTube channel or any other projects, leave a comment, let me know what you're struggling with, and I might just make a video about it.